Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Well, my mic was really far away, I'm sorry. Um Today is going to be a different video actually. So, I went um to the store, Walmart, I guess. And I bought something. I bought something I hardly buy myself things, so I was like, "You know what? I think I'm going to buy it." Um if you guys don't know, Uh, it's like really quiet. Maybe I should play some music, like non-copyrighted music, because I don't want to get like a copy strike for having um copyrighted music on my videos. We wouldn't want that. Okay, I think these ones are all non-copyrighted. I hope we don't get striked. Okay. Anyways, as I was saying, um, I've been wanting to buy a new mic for the longest time, and I actually went out to buy one, and I've always wanted to play um, PUBG. So I went to Walmart and I was like, oh, I wonder if I could look at the mics that what they have, and they actually had this. I'm sure some of y'all have seen this before. The Blue Yeti plus PUBG, the little combination they have, and I thought that was pretty cool, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it, because I don't know, I'm not a big fan of battle royales, but I've always wanted to try PUBG, and I actually did try it on Xbox at one point. I'm not really a big fan of it on Xbox, but I've seen some people play it on the PC, and I made sure that my PC was gonna be able to run it. If it can run Rainbow Six and Overwatch, I'm pretty sure it can run PUBG. Probably not on the best graphic settings, but that's okay as long as you play it. But yeah, I'm not really a big fan of battle royales, but I decided to get it anyways and see how it goes. I've Speaking of mics, I've had this mic, this blue snowball. I don't even know, like 4 years now. I mean, I don't even know if that's a long time for a mic, but it's pretty you know, it's I think it's time to retire it. It still works, obviously. You can hear me. I think my voice is being caught by the mic, cuz my my W ball. That's weird. um um I always like forget things because I'm actually really excited about this. I've had this mic. This is my first mic, my only mic I've actually had. But it's been kind of, it's kind of broken. Like the plug-in is kind of broken, so like I can't move it very much, and it has to stay kind of in one spot, or else it's gonna unplug and then blah blah blah. You won't be able to hear me, and it's gonna catch my freaking camera mic, and that sounds weird enough. That's happened to me a few times. Okay, so we're gonna open this. Yeah, this is definitely a weird video. I guess this is like a box opening. What do they call it? I don't even know. What the hell? There's like one tape. I don't want to rip it. Actually, we'll just rip it. It's okay. It's okay. Oop. All right. You guys can't really see it as I'm opening it, but I'm opening it. See if I can move my camera just a tiny bit. Okay. I wish I had two cameras. Anyways, here we go. This is a Is it muted? Oh, here we go. Can you guys hear me now? We have it. Oops. Let's just move this. Here we go. Our perfect one. I don't even know how it sounds, honestly. I should probably like figure it out. There's like different settings on here, and I don't know. I feel kind of. I should probably read stuff, you know. Okay, it just shows me what it is. Anyways, okay. Oh, it says stereo. Okay, so stereo is like around. Okay. Oh, cool. Maybe I'll stick with the whatever it's called. Oh. How does that sound? Does it sound pretty good? Okay. Sorry guys. Yeah. So that was the video on my freaking amazing PUBG. Amazing mic. I'm gonna figure out how to put it on here. Let's just hope we can. I think there's like a certain something. I think I'll be able to figure it out. Anyways, but we're gonna go ahead and end it here, guys. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me for a short little bit of time as I unbox, I guess, my little treat, I guess, for myself, because sometimes I guess we can ourselves for something sometimes. I don't know why I put widow on there, but yeah guys, thank you guys again for hanging out with me. I appreciate it, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.